In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google Play Store app. First, you will need to open the Google Play Store app on your Android phone or tablet. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. It looks like a colorful play button. Tapping on this icon will launch the app and take you to the main interface. This is where you can explore millions of apps and games available for download. Once you're in the Play Store, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You will see categories, featured apps, and recommendations. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for your app search. Next, if you are prompted, sign into your Google account. This is often necessary to access the full features of the Google Play Store. If you already have an account, simply enter your email and password. If you do not have an account, there may be an option to create one. Signing in ensures that your downloads and purchases are linked to your account, which helps keep everything organized. Once you have entered your credentials, tap on the Sign In button. This step is vital because it keeps your apps and data secure and accessible across devices. Now that you are signed in, it's time to tap the search bar at the top of the screen. The search bar is where you'll type in the name of the app you want to download. When you tap it, your keyboard will appear, allowing you to input text. This search capability is essential, as it helps you quickly find the specific app you're looking for. Make sure to spell the app name correctly to ensure accurate search results. Once you have typed the app name, select the app from the list of search results. The Play Store will display a list of relevant apps that match your search query. Look for the correct app, as there might be similar options available. Tapping on the correct app will take you to its page, where you can find more details about it, including ratings, reviews, and a description. This step is important because it ensures you are selecting the right app before downloading it. After selecting the app, tap the Install button. This button is usually located near the top of the app page. When you tap Install, the app will start downloading to your device. You might see a progress bar indicating the download and installation progress. This step is crucial as it begins the process of bringing the app to your device, allowing you to use it soon. While the app is downloading and installing, you will need to wait for it to finish. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a few moments. During this time, you can browse other apps or explore different sections of the Play Store. Once the download is complete, you will see a notification or a message indicating that the app has been installed successfully. This confirmation reassures you that the installation process has gone smoothly. Finally, tap Open to launch the app. This option appears right after the installation finishes. Tapping Open will take you directly into the app for the first time. You can start exploring its features and functionalities. This final step is exciting because it means you can now enjoy everything the app has to offer. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed an app from the Google Play Store. Enjoy using your new app, and remember that you can always return to the Play Store to find more apps in the future.